Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming this really fun, smoky, messy makeup look. I just was having fun and being creative. I got this new like glittery eyeshadow and I just wanted to play with it, and I think it looks really cool and I love how it turned out. Kind of a random tutorial, but if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just go ahead and keep watching. And I also did a little hair tutorial, by the way. I just showed how I got these like messy waves, so if you want to see how I got those, then also keep watching. Okay, so the only thing I have on right now is some foundation, but I wanted, focus please, I wanted to go ahead and do my eyes before I did anything else in case there's any fallout, because this is going to be a smoky look. First I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush. So I'm going to go in with like these three. This is my favorite palette for pretty much every day, and these are like my favorite neutral colors. I've been using them pretty much in every video, but they just make blending so easily. So I'm going to take the darker brown and just start darkening it up more. So now I'm going to go in with a different palette, and I'm going to take this little light green color. I'm going to go in with the, why am I holding this like this? Anyways, the dark gray color. I'm going to go in and start kind of lightening up the inner corner. I'm going to go in with this green color from this Wet n Wild palette with a wet brush. I'm going to go in and define the crease a bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and add some of this Moondust stuff from Urban Outfitters. Oh my gosh, Urban Decay, wow. It's been one of those days, but it's just like a little glitter shadow. This is what it looks like. And it's got really cool like reflective green, so I'm gonna add some of that. Okay, so there's both eyes done. I think it looks really cool. Okay, so I've got this green eyeliner. I figured I'd just stick with the green theme. This one's from Urban Decay. Gonna put that in my waterline. And then just some liquid liner on the top. Okay, now I'm gonna go do mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's the eyes done. I think they look pretty cool. This is very dark makeup for me. I don't normally wear it like this, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and then I will be back. All right, you guys, so here is the finished look. I think it looks pretty cool. Pretty editorial. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair now. Should be interesting. I'm gonna be using a new straightener today. This one I got sent in the mail and I've actually really been loving it. It is this one from Panasonic, and I'll have the link down below if you guys want to buy it or if you're interested in it. But I just like it because like my old one, my hair always snags on it and I feel like it just kept pulling out my hair, so I'm happy to have a new one. I'm just gonna section it off. And I like this one because it turns off automatically after an hour, which my other one didn't. And that's really nice for someone like me because I'm extremely forgetful. I'm just gonna be doing like a wavy look today to kind of go with this messy hair that I've got going on, or messy makeup. I also like the plates because they're ceramic, which I'm not sure if my other one was, but it's just like, it's very smooth on my hair, which I really like. And yeah, I just like that it doesn't snag. And yeah, one more thing, it's really cool. I don't think I'll ever, I mean, I might use it, I don't know. I don't travel a lot, but it's got universal voltage, which I think is really cool. So like if I were to travel to, I don't know, like Paris or France or something like that, I could still use it there because it's got universal voltage, which is like really cool. Anyways, yeah. I'm just making my hair kind of messy and wavy. Okay, so my camera is running out of battery, so I'm just gonna finish waving the rest of my hair and then I'll be back.